So this is a hydraulic cam chain tensioner. The older style twin cams had spring operated ones. The hydraulics work a lot better. And before we remove that, what you want to do is stick a piece of wire in this little hole, and that's going to lock the chain tensioner in place so it doesn't unload and pop out the other direction. And I will use just a paper clip. I'll show you. It's just one of these kind of paper clips. And I opened it up and cut the tip off of it so it's not bent. So I can just slide that right into here and know that that's not going to go anywhere. So do that, and then I have two T27 bolts here. Just like that. And then you have your two gears. You've got your cam gear, and then you have your crank gear. And if you look here, you'll see there's a dot, and those are the timing marks. I'll line them both up. And this is where you're going to need a special tool, if you want to call it that. This is a locking block, if you want to call it that. And what I'll do here is you want to make sure that those timing marks are perfectly lined up. So you just move the back tire, you can rock it back and forth a little bit just till this falls into place. Just like that. That locks the motor into place. You know it's not going to go anywhere. And then we can remove these bolts. So we'll start off with the crank bolt, and the cam. That's 9/16. And then we'll go and remove the 1/2 inch when we pull this assembly apart. All right, with those bolts out, I'm going to remove the locking tool, and then we'll just slide these gears off. If they give you any resistance, you can pry on the back, gently back and forth. These two just slid right out. And now we have our exposed cam support plate.